Welcome back to yet another rhythm video where I'll be showing you how to modify your Flipper Zero's background animations easily. Okay, roll the intro. Alrighty guys, so the first section of the video will be about adding custom animations. The second will be about reverting to the original animations. So our first step is to head into the QFlipper software, which can be found at the official Flipper site, linked in the description. I'll show you how to set it up in my mega guide on all things Flipper Zero, so if you haven't watched that yet and have questions, be sure to see it, linked below. Once inside QFlipper, click on the Simple File tab right up here, and then double click once again on the SD card folder. Make sure you have hidden files on, shown here, and then navigate into the Dolphin folder, shown here. Now, if you have some animation files already, go ahead and drag them into here to add them. And then we want to edit the manifest file. If you are interested in learning about another path of animation editing, use the helpful index video sections and go to the spot in the video you find most fitting to your needs, such as reverting to the original animations in section 2. Let's continue. Right-click on the manifest file and click download. Simply select a folder to save it to and click save. Now, open manifest.txt and copy one of these blocks of text. Paste it anywhere, such as here, and change everything to fit the animation you are adding, such as changing the name as well as the weight, which determines how much it will appear. The higher the weight, the more it will appear. You can go into more detail by adjusting the butt hurt levels, and so on and so forth, but I'll be doing that in another video. So for now, this is good. Simply save it with Ctrl S. Now, drag it straight into QFlipper. If it prompts you about replacing the file in the destination, click yes or allow. And now, the animation should be added. Restart your Flipper and all should be good. Section 2, reverting to the original animations. Step 1 is once again to open QFlipper and head to the Dolphin file by going to our file manager and going through the SD card folder, as you can see. We now can select one by one the animation files and delete them. Also, I forgot to add delete the manifest.txt as well. There we go. Now, head over to the GitHub site linked in the description, which will bring you to the original Flipper Zero's firmware source code. Click the green code button shown here and copy the path with this button. Now, open GitHub Desktop, which again can be found in the description. Now, click clone a repository from the internet. Paste in our path into the URL section and download the contents. And of course, make sure to check the output path. And there we go, it completed. Let's go over to the same folder on QFlipper again and paste the Dolphin contents from the repo we just downloaded. Navigate through Asset, Dolphin, External, and here we go. This might take some time as we are doing it over an application instead of straight through the SD card. And hello again. So actually, I ran into a file operation process failed notification thing mistake. I don't know. So I instead decided to copy them one by one, which ended up taking less time overall than what it would normally. So I recommend doing that. But it didn't really take too long, and now all you gotta do is restart your little Flipper and everything should be great. Now, to end this wonderful video, I once again want to give a great big thank you to my viewers. We have almost 500 subscribers, and we have reached over 25,000 total views across our entire channel. I can't thank you guys enough. But, of course, as always, this has been Nick with the channel Rhythm, and have a wonderful musical morning indeed. See ya!